Hey, my name's Mark. I'm an equipment operator. Been doing it off and on for about 40 years. Really enjoy the work. It's a great job opportunity. And do your work all day long and look back and see what you've accomplished. Pretty fulfilling. I really enjoy it. Makes me want to get up in the morning. Every dirt job is a little bit different. This particular job, we come in, strip the sod off, cut it down to subgrade with my dozer, get it ready for rock, put the underground in, haul the excess dirt off, a little bit of everything. Well, starting in the morning, I generally get up about 4:30, sometimes earlier in the summertime. Leave the house about 5:30. Get to the job, look the equipment over, warm it up, talk to the other operators what we're going to do for the day. Start in. Oh, generally we work 8 to 10 hours, depending. If there's a rush, we'll work 10, but most of the time it's just 8. Well, you'd have to contact your local operating engineers local. Right here in Lewis County, it's 612. And join the apprentice program and find somebody, another operator that can kind of tutor you maybe, show you the ropes, break you in. Takes a little while. I learned a lot from just watching, knowing what to do with the dirt. Everybody thinks it's running the machine. It's more about knowing what to do with the machine, really, when it comes right down to it. That's what makes a good operator. My name's Mark. If you're really interested, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 360-880-3037. I'd like to hear from you if you're interested.